Hi, I'm Diana, and this is my wonderful partner, Sasha.
Today we're gonna show you wedding dance choreography to beautiful song Lana del Rey.
Young and beautiful. Our wedding choreography is based on slow waltz steps.
Now we're gonna show you the basic steps. Try to follow us with right leg forward and slow, quick, quick, and 1, 2, 3. So slow waltz, we're gonna count 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But for this music, we need different type of timing. We need slow, quick, quick, and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick.
And every time we dance right foot forward and left foot backwards.
Okay, and try to use your heels when you go forward and try to use your toes when you go back. Okay, let's do it together. Catch your lady over here, so we're catching shoulder blade and right hand. So try to keep your elbows as high as possible.
Ladies, we put our left arm on men's arm. Don't pull it up by yourselves. Let it just lie down. And the right hand push outside.
Try to dance continuously without any stop, especially when you close your feet. Okay, and now we're gonna show you natural turn to the right. So we're gonna dance the same steps from right leg forward, 1, and turn to the right 90 degrees, 2, 3, and left back, 1, and 90 degree again, and again, 1, 2, close, 1, 2, close, 1, 2, close, 1, 2, close. And to turn your lady, try to use your holding, try to use your frame to make it possible. Don't use your feet, don't use your leg.
So ladies, we start with the left foot backwards and we try to turn from the first step. Let's do it again. So don't put your left foot on the line. Go a little bit across. 1, 2, 3. Now right foot forward. 1, 2, 3. Left foot back. 1, 2, 3. And right foot forward. 1, 2, 3. When we dance the natural turn to the right, please keep your right feet in between. So men's foot and my own foot, right foot, is between the legs. So when we take step forward, we don't step outside.
I'm going in between. So don't go this way. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, and again, in between legs. And lady, the same. In between, slow, quick, quick.
So ladies, we start alone, man goes away, and our routine starts in this position. So I have my weight on my right foot, and we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and put your arms up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I'm gonna show you the same steps or standing the other way. So I start with my with my weight on the right foot. Left foot is here, but there is no weight, so I'm not in the middle, but I'm on the right foot. And I start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, guys, now I'm gonna show you how to dance matcha walk. We go, we just wait 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On second 8, you're gonna walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On 7, you gonna catch your lady.
And ladies, when your man catch you, you have to react. Now the next movement, we transfer our weight from one foot to the other. We start to the left first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, men, pick up left arm of the lady to turn her around. 5, 6, and we transfer weight again, ladies left foot, men right foot. Let's do it from the other ankle. So we meet here on our right foot.
On 7, 8.
7, 8. And now we transfer weight to the left. 1, 2, to the right. 3, 4. Now pick up ladies left arm. 5, 6, and transfer your weight again. 7, 8. And we continue. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now on 5, girls, we are on the right foot, and we're gonna make a dip. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Guys, make sure you are not making this dip. So you need to be vertical and stay straight. Pull this left arm opposite way from the lady.
So we can pull girls here because
You can
our
use
men,
this.
yes, we can use this arm because men are pulling up and we can pull it down. 5, 6, 7, 8.
And in your right arm, you can give more space, more room to make it deep.
Girls, we don't drop our head or our spine, we don't drop it back, but we pick up our hips up. So the dip is made from our hips. Okay?
You can see Diana is using feet, knees very strongly.
Yeah, so I go up on my toes and I pick up my hips up.
And it's if you make it correctly, this is not heavy.
5, 6,
I
7,
can
8.
almost drop.
We're gonna show it again from this position. So after the turn, I'm on my right foot, Sasha is on his left foot, and this is 5, 6. We transfer 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm on my right foot, 5, 6, 7, and we finish 8. I'm on my right foot, Sasha is on his left foot.
And now we're gonna dance basic step of waltz.
1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and. Now we're gonna show it to you from the same beginning, from the other ankle, and you can follow us. So we're gonna start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and.
Okay, and now let's try to make natural turn. So turn to the right.
1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and.
So after 4 times 90 degree, we came to the same place. So it's gonna be big square. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8.
Bye.